Hello, my name is Annie and I'm going to introduce you some of the functions of our platform that might come in handy when playing the game. When joining the game, you will need to fill in your name and email address in the given window and then click on Join. When you enter the platform, you will be in the general session, and on your left upper corner, you will see all the places where the game is going to take place. And on your left lower corner, you will see the host of the game, and next to the host, you will see all the other participants of the game. After a short introduction, the host will start the groups, and you will be taken to the group session, where you will be only with your teammates. When in the group session, you will see small arrows that will help you explore your surroundings. And then your mission will be to find the game controller icon. When clicking on this icon, you will get a short description of the task and a hint to where to look for the question. After reading this, you should click on Start and start looking for the question mark icon. It is important to notice that after clicking on Start, the other game controller will disappear and you can see it only after you complete the first task. After doing this, look for the question mark icon, and when finding it, click on it, read the question and answer. You and your teammates can explore the places separately. However, when one of the members of your team finds the game controller icon or the question mark icon and clicks on it, you all will be directed to the place so you can discuss the task together and answer it. During the game, when you don't understand something or you have a question for the host, you can go back to the general session by clicking Go to the General Session button on the right lower corner of the screen. And to come back to the group session, you should click on Go to the Group Session button that is again in the right lower corner of the screen. I hope this helps. However, when you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask the host. Thank you very much for your time. See you later.